Alright, we be scrappers. This is how you know you're there, when you see the dragon. Let's go take a little closer look at it. This thing's pretty cool. Out front here, welded together. A bunch of parts and pieces and whatnot. There you go. You see the dragon? You know you made it to We Be Scrappers. Just kind of take it all in. It's always a fun time coming out here to We Be Scrappers. Hey, this is Rich's Mowers and Blowers at the We Be Scrappers. Take a little walk around, see what's around here, and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, get notified every time I put out a new video. Give me a thumbs up, a like, all that good stuff, and share this video. We are in Monroe, Michigan, where we can come out here to the scrap yard, get parts and pieces, or buy the whole machine. We Be Scrappers. What do we got? What are we looking at? What is that? A Snapper SR128, and it's a walk behind attached to. That's interesting. That's very interesting. Take all their lawnmowers and put out here, and people can come get pieces and parts and different whatnot things. Got a bunch of different decks over here. Look at all the snowmobiles, bicycles over there. I see some motorcycles. There's a Husqvarna. Looks like that one's been picked apart. But if you still need any kind of parts on it, has two nice back wheels on it. Got the deck on there if your deck rusted out. Some Cub Cadets. You got the John Deere section over there. You got the Cub Cadets lined up here. And then you got all these Husky, Toro, Honda. Hey, look at that, a Honda. Another Husky, two Aarons. What is that green one? MTD. I think they're all made by MTD, aren't they? Simplicity. Another Simplicity. And you got, look at the Ford Cub Cadet. That hood's about broken. There's a John Deere 210. A 170. So there's some good parts out here. There's a zero turn. Been stripped down a little bit there. Bunch of tires over there. You guys need something. If you're in this area where I'm at, you can come up here, Monroe, Michigan. Got some jet skis. So let's go ahead and browse around a little bit here. Husky GT. What's under the hood, Rich? I don't know. You got a twin, so that's a nice one. There's another twin over there. Got a few machines out here, some rusted decks going on there. Got this Aaron's. These aren't too bad, 1742s. I've got one at my house, and I have about, what, 4 or 5 of them that I sold, these 1742s. Here's another one, so now I know if I need a couple pieces and parts where I can come and get one. Nice little walk behind. Somebody's scrapping this out, huh? That's where it ended up, at the scrapyard. The Kawasaki on it. That's just a fun word to say. Kawasaki. Got a Toro zero turn there. So a couple nice zero turns that possibly could lead into something, right? I don't know. I mean, I've had luck with every one of the errands that I've had. They all have good hydros in them. So they seem to be a solid hydro back then when they made these. This one, you could probably take that deck, put it on here. This one's got both wheels already on. Throw your engine on there. You'll probably find an engine right up here somewhere. That engine right there would work if you can get it running. Or these opposing twins. That'll be a good one. Got your snow blades and a bunch of snow blowers up there. Generator. Thought I seen another generator somewhere. Yeah, up there. There's another generator. You got the guy running the crane with the magnet. That's pretty cool. They can, looks like it's a magnet and they can pick metal right up. You always see it on the movies. Now you get to see one in real life. There's a couple of nice looking snow blowers over there. Alright, let me get through here. We'll see what else. That looked like that would have been a nice one. They probably did something to the engine and then scrapped it out instead of just throwing another engine on it. Got some push mowers up there. Let's go check out the push mowers because I see a Honda. Right, one GVC's 160 on there, Troy Bill, and then we got a Briggs there. Cool. I'm gonna pull this one over, see if this one looks any good. Well, we can't pull that one over, but it did pull out. The blade wasn't bent. Let's go ahead and try this one out. This one should be able to pull over because it's got the blade brake. Nope, it feels like it's got a sheared key in it when you pull it over because it's yanking my arm off. That's probably what happened to that one. If I can tip it over, we can see if it has a bent blade. Oh, no blade at all. So they probably hit something with it. It's a nice looking snowblower. Just kind of take it all in. It's always a fun time coming out here to We Be Scrappers. Hey, this is Rich's Mowers and Blowers at the We Be Scrappers. And hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, get notified every time I put out a new video. Give me a thumbs up, a like, all that good stuff, and share this video. Alright guys, thanks for joining us. This is Rich's Mowers and Blowers at the We Be Scrappers. We'll see you next time.